What is up, you guys? It's me again, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna try to fix my RPF1's. As you can see, there's a little bit of paint fade and stuff. Curb rash is very minor. Like this they did at the tire shop, I think, but oh well. Yeah, only a few of them. No, this is what they did at the tire shop. Only a few of them are really bad. It's this one, I think. I bought these wheels used for 900 bucks. They came like this. I have not touched a curb with them, so yeah. But I currently got some new tires because I needed some new tires, and since I am planning on tracking the vehicle, I don't see a point in spending 400 bucks to get them resprayed. Well, it's actually like 375, or no, 350 was the cheapest powder coat that I found, and then like 375 for just some spray. But right now I'm gonna try to fix them with just some of this stuff, universal black. It has a paintbrush in here and like a pen, and I just have some 3000 grit sandpaper and some Scotch-Brite. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of this. I've only painted a select amount of items, so I'm not the best. I know you need like alcohol and stuff to prep it, but I'm gonna skip that. I really don't care. If this does end up getting like coming out like really bad, then I'll just get them coated or whatever. But I'm gonna try to save some money and see what's good, because with those 400 bucks that I was gonna spend on them getting painted, you guys will see what I'm gonna get. Once again, these are track wheels that I'm planning on using them for, so appearance is not my #1 thing. So yeah, let's get started. I didn't want to get a filler or anything just because it is super minor. Like, it's not even deformed or anything, but I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of sandpaper or some Scotch-Brite. Let's check it out. I honestly don't know what this does, but I think it just takes off the dirt. So let me hit it with the 3000 grit. Let me hit this with a 3000 grit, and then I'll get it ready to get painted. This is Mia, by the way. If you guys haven't seen my video, I picked her up in Vegas. She was gonna go to the pound, and I just saved her. I'm just kidding, but we bought her. This is Mia, that's Jade. And yeah, so let me set you guys down and get started on this wheel. And yes, these wheels are degreased and cleaned as best as I could. But I did a pretty good job, as you guys could kind of see, I hope. There's not that much dirt in there. And I'm pretty sure this grit is really light, so it doesn't really matter. You can kind of see that it does pick up some stuff because it's like changing a different color. Like, it's, you could tell that I've sanded it. I don't even know if this is like the right paint or not, but I'm about to find out right now. Oh Brit, no, come off. Yeah, that's black. Okay, I really need to be careful with this, so I'm gonna set you guys down. If you guys end up seeing, then good. If not, I'm sorry. All right, so there we go. I know you could tell. Damn, that looks crap. I know you could tell on the camera that it's different, but from far away you already can't even tell that it's messed up. That's what I want. As long as you're standing like 4 feet away from my car and you take a picture, I don't want to seem like a girl drives my car, because I bought these like this. So let's rotate this wheel now. Just using the valve stem as like a guiding point, so along the way, if there's anything, I've already sanded it with this clean towel. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe this, and pretty much I'm just touching up the wheel. Nothing too important, but I know some people are kind of scared to do this. Honestly, I don't care, because this could be sandblasted and it'll be fine. So yeah, enjoy this time lapse of me messing up my RPF1's. Dang, from far away, not bad. It's already drying, I can't even tell. Yeah, I did all this, basically like half the wheel. I don't think I've showed you guys yet, but this is what's going on the RPF1's. These are, I believe, the fronts. They're 245 40 by 18, and then down here I've got some 265 40 by 18. So it's gonna be less rotational mass in the front, but not too much. Really, probably won't even make a difference. But yeah, these are all done. Just gonna let them dry. As you guys could see, it doesn't look too bad. This one, I can't even tell where the rash was before. I think like right there, but yeah, just gonna let them dry and then hit them with probably another coat. Like I was saying, I'll probably hit it with another coat. That's where the rash was. You can't really tell. I think Jade approves though. Yeah, she said yeah. But yeah, overall this is pretty simple. It's kind of like time consuming, but if you want to make sure that it gets done right, but the sloppy way, go ahead and do this way. It's probably going to come off over time with car washes and stuff, but it'll make it through a photo shoot from far away. You won't be able to tell that there's curb rash. Jade, come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. She said nah. Once again, this is the Duplicolor paint pen that like it has like a little tip, and then you could unscrew the cap. I got paint all over my fingers, but I've used it before. If you're color matching it, I don't know what to tell you, but this is just universal black. I hope it dries somewhat similar to that. So if it doesn't, I'll show you guys what it looks like. This video is going to be delayed on when it goes out, just because I want to have the wheels mounted and show you guys the final product of what it looks like on the car. So yeah, fast forward to that right now. What's up, you guys? So they're on the car. These are with the 40 sidewall. Looks freaking sick, dude. Like, bruh, looks so meaty. Last night I took it out for a drive. On acceleration, well, if you know, you know, but I kind of bottomed out. It kind of hit this, you could kind of see, for just like a short period of time, but at normal speeds, it's not an issue. So what it looks like, once again, this is a 245 40 by 18, and this is a 265 40 by 18. This thing looks mean. Just look at that. Sheesh. Meaty. But I think I'm gonna need to roll my fender a little bit just so it's all good. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna try to put a picture up with the video, but that is it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.